Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to open a Barclays bank account online in the UK. The process is simple, convenient, and can be done from your phone or computer. So let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and visit the official Barclays website. From there, go to the Current Account section where you can explore the different options available, such as an everyday current account, a basic account, a premier account, or a student account. Once you choose the account that best suits your needs, click on the Apply Now button. You'll then be asked whether you want to apply online or through the Barclays mobile banking app, with the app usually being the quicker option. After confirming that you are a UK resident and meet the eligibility criteria, you'll need to enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, UK address, postcode, email address, and your national insurance number if required. Make sure all the information matches your identification documents. Next, you'll complete the identity verification process by uploading a valid photo ID, such as a UK passport or driving license, and in some cases, proof of address and a short selfie check. Finally, review all your details carefully and submit your application. Approval can be instant or may take a few working days depending on your situation. And that's it. That's how you can open a Barclays bank account online in the UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.